Today's Father's Day, so I'm on my way to go pick up my pops, and he's agreed to go for a ride with me. He doesn't know what we're going to go driving in yet, but we're going for a ride, so this is going to be fucking exciting, man. I'm excited. So I'm obviously, I don't know if you guys have seen the video before of when I took my dad for a drive. That was just like straight pulls in the skyline. Today we're in my little bit of a dirty 200 S6, but it's fine. Today I hope to do a little bit more than straight pulls. We're gonna go sideways. Shit, he is gonna love his life today. But I'm gonna drive nice for the first little while, so he doesn't have any suspicion of anything that's going down. And then when we're quite far from home and he has no choice but to actually sit with me and drive all the way home, then we're gonna bring out the fun. Hope you guys enjoy. I know I'm gonna enjoy it. Ooh, he's gonna be upset. Hello, Papa.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm shit.
Happy Father's Day.
Where you want to take me?
We're gonna go 1 or 2 places, have a few beers. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You okay?
I'm alright. Listen, if you're driving right now, jump on the next remote, I'm telling you.
I didn't do anything.
Just easy. Because that's what you want. Take me for the joyride, you motherfucker.
What do you... I'm just driving. We're going to go meet somebody now.
Where? Easy. Where the fuck you going?
I'm not even going fast.
You say just go to the hill, and it's going down to the hill.
I never said the hill. I said I'm going to a friend.
Where?
Down the road.
Down the road is plenty fucking down the road.
Yeah, it's still a little while.
Yeah. Going out your way, fucking some way.
No, not halfway to my way. Are you nervous?
No.
Are you playing with the keys?
I don't grinding, but it.
Playing with the keys.
I'm always playing with the key. Because I put it in my pocket and fall out.
Which do you like more? Donuts or drifting?
Nothing.
But if you have to choose one.
Listen, I haven't had a food today, so don't tell me with shit.
What does food have to do with any of that?
Just that say, you want to go for lunch or something, I say, alright, I don't want to go fuck off for now, no way.
Fuck all for nowhere?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
I don't want to driving around, because with you it's not a pleasure.
It's not a pleasure to drive with me.
No.
Has it been bad?
For you is alright, for me it's bad.
How? What did I do wrong?
Just leave me alone and go where you want to go. How you come that way when you come that way down?
Which way?
Go up to the side.
I like this way.
More curve, more fuck around.
I like it.
Hey! I tell you, fuck.
Sorry.
Listen, I told you, don't fuck me around.
What
They come and view the house again, 4 o'clock, the same people, which I give the offer. Asaki was there. Just after 10. You want to come 1 o'clock and you say no, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. No.
4 o'clock.
Just now.
4 o'clock is far away, not even 1 o'clock. Now listen, let me tell you something, Fiam. Fuck you.
Thank you.
You say, download for me plenty. Only a Dutch is there. A Dutch.
Dutch?
A Dutch.
What's Dutch?
The movie name is Dutch.
No, there's a lot of stuff there, bruh.
Where?
It's on the folder.
There is not on the folder.
I'm telling you, I put it all there.
Listen, music, CV, Romain, shit like that.
No, it's called One Tony.
One Tony, not the top or the bottom one.
No, One Tony.
One Tony, because the top is just
Yes.
one. The bottom one
It's
is
full
Tony.
of movies, bro.
No movie.
I'm telling you.
Baby, nothing there, bro.
I put it all there, I'm telling you.
Nelson. Get motherfucking.
What's wrong?
Kifele nem szólok. Rendőrök kint vannak hídal.
Ja, mindig.
Mondom, a rendőrök kint vannak.
I'm not going fast.
Okay.
It says 40.
40 more. 140, yes.
Never.
A kurva édesanyádat a szájba basszod ott, ahol vagy. Azt a faszom a kurva édesanyádat, azt. De fél, még egyszer mondd, hogy menjek valahova. Menj fel a kurva édesanyád. Nem szarok én be, mert leszarom. Nem az én kocsim. Nézem, én nem is fogok semmit. Nyugodtan ülök, de szopjál le, basszol.
What?
Sok pénzed van keréknek, kurva nyárat. Ha utána nézek, hogy ne legyen pénzed, ne félj. Az a fucking kurva édesanyárat, azt a hülyét, azt.
What's wrong?
Hülye vagy te, basszol.
What do you mean?
Nem mondod vagy te.
Why?
Kerekek pénzre kerülnek, leszarod.
Leszarom.
Én azt tudom.
Did you enjoy that?
Majd amikor nem lesz pénzed, akkor majd nem szarod le.
You don't need a cigarette. Are you scared? Are you upset?
I'm not upset.
Oh.
Just I don't want to do fucking stupid things.
Stupid things?
Hey, stupid things.
How is it stupid?
A guy is there, want to go, and you spinning.
That is
Behind you is a car that you don't give a fuck.
No problem. Can I do it again?
Do my fucking boy.
Eh? Can I?
You puss.
Why?
Because I say so. I say so.
Are you upset with me?
I'm not upset, but fuck you.
You're not upset, but
I'm
fuck
not
me.
upset, but fuck you.
Oh,
Simple as that.
that's not nice. But I wasn't going fast.
Yeah, it's alright.
But it feels good, eh?
Yeah, I'm always good.
No, but I'm saying the car feels good.
Don't worry.
You're not worried?
Don't
You
hold
don't?
nothing.
Okay, so I can do it
But
again.
no, you don't do it.
I will do it.
No, you don't.
You said
Because
you're not
I'm going to
worried.
the things. I pull it out. Fuck you.
You said you're not worried, bro.
Don't worry about fuck you.
So can I or can I not?
You don't. Not with me. When you're alone, you do what you want.
Just once with you.
I'm going to give you a push clap in your face.
In my face.
In your face.
If you hit me in the face, we're gonna crash.
That's your problem.
No, that's your problem.
Where you going that way? There's a fucking the big holes there.
Can I? You can't get out, I'm not gonna stop. We're almost at home.
You almost a puss. That fucking puss of yours.
I'll drive nicely. Is that okay? You want me to drive nice? Dad, now you don't even want to speak to me. Why are you upset?
I'm not upset.
Did I hurt
Fuck
you? Did I hurt
don't,
you?
But fuck
No.
you.
Fuck me. I'm driving nicely.
Yeah, you puss.
Oh. At least the car didn't break down yet.
Yeah.
And you can get home in one piece.
Why are you going straight for that fucking rubbish street? Rubbish fucking places where you can go on the tramway street. Every stop.
Watch these guys. Watch those guys. Did you
The
see
donkeys,
them?
look at that.
Did you see them jump out the way?
There. go say come. Or else you go reckless driving.
Did you see them jump out the road?
Yeah, I see. Hey! I'm fucked up.
Why?
Little bitch.
Little bitch.
Yeah.
No.
No electricity. Hallelujah. No electricity. Very nice. Have a nice day.
Fuck. Okay, wait. There's a car behind me. Okay, I'm gonna leave you here. Cheers, Dad.
Passa e basta, via para
Love you, Dad. Wait. Let me open for you. Okay, go.
Take it back.
Okay, wait. Open. Love you, Dad.
Fuck you.
Dad, I love you, bruh.
Fuck you.
Ciao, Dad.
Fuck you. The puss.
I love you, bruh.
Puss.
Cheers. Ah, shame. I don't think he's happy with me at all. Dad. Oh, that's Chris funny.
Fuck you.
Dad,
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that I love you.
I say fuck you.
Fuck me. He just hung the phone up on me.
Ain't those good? Ho, 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 ho.